In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow camera access on Windows 11. By the end, your apps will be able to use your webcam safely and reliably, and you'll understand what each permission switch actually does. Start by opening the Windows Start menu and heading into Settings. This is your central place for system controls. Once Settings is open, look to the left sidebar and choose Privacy and Security. Windows groups camera permissions here because they're tied to your privacy and how apps interact with your device. On the Privacy and Security page, find and select Camera under App Permissions. This takes you to the dedicated Camera Settings page, where you control access at both the system level and the app level. First, turn on camera access. Think of this as the master switch. If it's off, Windows completely blocks the camera for everything, no matter what settings you choose elsewhere. Turning it on simply allows Windows to let apps request camera use. It doesn't automatically give every app permission. Next, turn on Let Apps Access Your Camera. This controls Microsoft Store apps and many modern apps that follow Windows' privacy model. When this is on, you'll also see a list of individual apps below. Each app in that list has its own toggle, so you can allow the camera for the ones you trust and turn it off for those you don't use. This lets you keep access tight while still enabling video calls, scanning, or recording where you need it. On the same page, you may also notice a section for desktop apps. Some traditional programs, like certain conferencing tools or camera utilities, fall into this category. You'll see whether Windows is allowing desktop apps to access the camera and which ones have used it recently. If a classic app isn't seeing your camera, review that section to make sure access is available. A few quick tips if something doesn't work right away. If an external webcam is involved, confirm it's connected and that any physical privacy shutter is open. If the toggles are grayed out, your device might be managed by an organization or restricted by parental controls. After you change permissions, close and reopen the app so it picks up the new setting. And remember that some browsers also ask for site-level camera permission the first time you join a call or record video. That's it. With camera access on and Let Apps Access Your Camera enabled, you're all set. You can return to this page anytime to fine-tune which apps have permission, keeping your camera both useful and secure.